In this video, I'm going to show you how to share templates in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to create something which you want to turn into a template and then of course share with somebody. And then when you've done this, let's pretend this is like the template I want to create and share. You want to go to top left where it says File and you want to click on that. And then from here you can see this Share button. So you want to click on this Share button over here. And as you can see, you have the Share File menu, and here at the bottom it says Convert to Template. You can just click on that and it's going to basically give you this option over here. You can go and select all the pages, you can give it a template. I'm going to name this one Tutorial Test Template like this, there we go. And then here you have location where you want to save it, and you can also write a template note. I'm just going to type in, this is just a sample, okay, just like that. Then of course if you want to keep a copy of this file, you can also check mark over here and it's going to keep a copy for you as well. And then you can click on this Convert to Template button over here. It's going to start converting and you'll see, there we go, as you can see it says converted to template and it has been saved to your stuff. Now from here you can click on this copy link button and the link is going to be copied to your clipboard, and of course now you can share this link with anybody and they'll be able to essentially access this of course kind of template over here and use it for themselves as well. Okay, you could also invite people, so click on invite over here and you can go and share your template like this. So we can just type in for example of course their email or their name, whatever, and you can just basically invite them, and here you can select who has access. You can make it to where only invited people can access it, or where of course anyone with the link can view and use this as well. So if I do this and if I for example go and copy this link, now I'm going to open up the incognito tab on my browser over here. You'll be able to see that it's going to actually allow me to view this specific template, of course, after signing in. So as you can see here, I basically typed this in an incognito tab, the link, I pasted that in, and it's going to allow me to sign in and then view the template as well, okay? So that's essentially all you have to know. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.